How to send iOS 18 or iOS 17 live stickers in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send live stickers in WhatsApp or iPhone. So let's get started. First, open up your WhatsApp and you'll just have to tap on the stickers icon and you'll notice that you can create your own stickers. Now, how do we do that? First, I'll teach you the simplest way. Head over to your Photos app and choose a photo which you want to make a sticker of. All you need to do is long press on an item and you'll see add sticker option. Tap on add sticker and there you go, it's been added. Now you can even add effect. Now you can choose effect like these here. You can make it different. You can keep an outline, you can make it a comic. Tap on done and you've simply added the sticker. Now go back to your WhatsApp. Open up your text box, tap on your emoji. Now this is the initial emoji page. Just swipe and there you will see your new stickers. Now tap on the stickers and there you go, you've just sent a sticker. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.